everyone! In order to honor the Independent Day of Indonesia, this channel would like to present a tutorial on how to crochet a heraldic shield pattern for bookmark or mouse adapter. This pattern is inspired by the heraldic shields on the chest of the national emblem of Indonesia, Garuda Pancasila. This is what it looks like. The material we will need to make this pattern is a ball of yarn, crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. Firstly, make slip knot. Chain 4. Make 1 treble crochet in chain 1. Then make chain 2 that represent the first double crochet. Then make 6 more double crochet on the body of the treble crochet. Now chain 1 and turn the work. Then make 1 slip stitch in each of next 6 stitches. Make 1 slip stitch in chain 2 space. Now make chain 1, then 7 double crochet on this chain. Make chain 1, turn the work, then make 1 slip stitch in each of next 7 stitches here. Then make double yarn over single crochet. Firstly, do yarn over, pull it through 1 loop, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops. Okay, the first pattern is now done. I'm going to show you how to make the second pattern. Firstly, make chain 3, then 1 treble crochet through these 2 loops. Make chain 2 that represent first double crochet, then make 6 more double crochet on the body of the treble crochet. Make chain 1 and turn the work just like before. Make 1 slip stitch in each of these next 6 stitches. Then make 1 slip stitch in a chain 2 space, followed by chain 1. Then make 7 double crochet on the body of chain 4. On the body of chain 3 we made before. Now chain 1, turn the work, and just like before, make 1 slip stitch in each of max 7 stitches. Now make double yarn over single crochet in this space. Do yarn over. Firstly pull it through 1 loop like this, then do yarn over again, pull it through 2 last loops. This is what the patterns look like. Make chain 3 again to add more patterns, then make 1 treble crochet through these 2 loops, just like before. This is what the patterns look like. You just need to repeat this pattern over and over again until you get the length you desire. I've just made 5 Heraldic Shields pattern. I think that's enough, so I'm gonna end on this pattern. To end these patterns, I'm gonna make normal single crochet instead of double yarn over single crochet. This is how to make double yarn over single crochet, but to end this pattern, I'm gonna make normal single crochet like this. After that, I will make 40 chains as the hooker. Make 1 single crochet in the same space and chain 1. Cut the yarn. Finally, hide the yarn tail inside the pattern. Now this Crochet Heraldic Shield Pattern is ready. It can be used as bookmark, face mask adapter, bracelets, headbands, or everything you like. Well everybody, I hope you like these patterns. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you again.